Hello children, welcome to all of you to NCERT Class 8 English. I am Gitanjali Deshmukh from Signet Public School, New Nare. Today we are going to see a beautiful story. The story is not of a king, prince or princess, but the story of a selfish giant. So, the topic is lesson number 3, the selfish giant. Now in this story we are going to see that how the selfish giant becomes a friendly giant. Every afternoon while returning from the home, the children used to go and play in the garden. They were all happy to play in the garden as the garden is very large and full of greenery. The grass is spread all over. There were 12 peach trees and they were all burst into the blossom of pink and pearl flowers. In the autumn season, it bore with a rich fruits. So, the garden was very happy as the children are there. Children were sitting in the garden and they were listening to the beautiful music of the birds. Birds are sitting on the trees and they were singing very delightfully. Children were sitting and so many times they were stopped their games as well to listen the beautiful song of the birds. One day the giant came back. He went to his friend for the 7 years. And after the 7 years, he came back. He saw that the children were playing in his garden. He was very angry and he was shouted on them. "What are you doing here?" he said in a gruff voice. He was very upset that the children were playing in his garden. He don't like it that the children were playing there. And he said that my garden is only my garden. Nobody is allowed in this garden except myself. So he built a high wall on all around the garden and he put the notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. So no one is dare to come in the garden. The children were very upset. They don't have anywhere to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of heavy stones. Sometimes the children were fell on the road and they were hurt very badly. So they were talking to each other how happy we were there when we were played in the garden. So they were very nervous. Then the spring came. All over the country, the spring was covered with a beautiful blossom. The birds are chirping with a delightfully. But only in the giant's garden there was a winter, because there were no ever to play the children. The children are not there, not coming there and playing. So the garden is full of frigid. Only the hail and only the frost and the snow was in the garden. They thought that spring is forgotten this garden, so we will be enjoyed throughout the year in this garden. So they called to the north wind. North wind is also came with a fort. He rode in the garden full of the day. And they thought that why we can't call to the hail? So they invited to the hail and the hail was also came there. The hail was came there and every day for the 3 hours the hail was dancing on the roof of the castle till it broke to the slate. So the hail, the frost, snow and north wind All they are dancing in the garden. His garden was full of frigid, the white all over the green grass. The frost was covered the garden. The snow was painted to all the trees. So they are all dancing in the garden, and they thought that nobody come here, so we can here enjoy it. One day the giant came in the garden, sitting in his window, and he thought that why the spring is so late. He can't understand that what happened to my garden. All over there is only covered with the hay, with the frost and the snow. He was very upset to look at this garden. He thought that something has happened. Something has to be changed. The weather has to be changed. The day was past, the months was past, but nothing was changed. Nor the summer or the blossom came in the garden. So his garden was frigid. One day when he awake from his bed, he listened a beautiful voice. He does not understand that what is it. And a very good fragrance was also entered from the window. He thought that what is it? He thought that the spring had came at last. So he was very happy and looked out from his castle. He saw a beautiful sight. What is it that? He saw that from a small hole the children were crept in, and they were dancing in the garden. They were enjoying in the garden. On each of the trees they were sitting and enjoying it. The flowers are also bloomed. All over the greenery is there. The frost, the snow was disappeared. North wind also went away, and the children were very happy. The garden is very happy as the children came back, and that's why they bloomed in the beautiful blossom and bore a rich fruits as well. So everywhere there is a happiness is only spread, and the garden changed into the beautiful blossom. When he saw from out of his window, he understood his own mistake, that what he had done and why there is only winter in his garden. So he decided that he will knock down the wall. He gently went into his garden, but when the children saw that huge giant, they were all ran away. But only the one small little boy was not able to run, as he was very small. And he was crying so much as he saw the giant. The giant came there, gently picked him up in his hand. The boy was very happy. Now he stopped his crying. He stretched his arms and flung his arms into the giant's neck, and he kissed him. The children saw him, and they understand that this giant is not wicked longer. So they again came back very delightedly, and all over again the white garden changed into the beautiful blossom. So they were all happy and enjoying the garden. The giant as well playing with the children. When the people saw that, they were also surprised that how this wicked giant changed into the friendly. The giant said to himself that yes, in my garden there were so many beautiful flowers are there, but the beautiful thing is that only the children are playing in the garden. So he was very happy and enjoyed mostly to play with the children. So we have seen in this lesson that how the selfish giant changed into the friendly giant. Thank you.